There's a way to trade Polymarket without ever picking a market yourself. You just copy someone who's already winning. Here's how it works in PolyBot. Once you found a wallet you want to follow, open PolyBot, hit copy trading, then add subscription. Step 1. Paste in the trader's wallet address. Step 2. Give them a nickname so you can recognize them later. Step 3. Choose how to size your trades. You can either copy a fixed dollar amount per trade or use a multiplier that scales with the leader's position size. In this example, we're using a 0.2x multiplier, meaning every time they bet, you bet a fifth of what they do. Step 4. Set a daily limit. This caps how much can get spent in a single day. $50 works for testing. Step 5. Price range filter. Leave it wide open to copy everything, or narrow it down to only copy trades in a specific price range. Step 6. Slippage tolerance. 5% keeps you safe from weird fills. Step 7. Confirm. The subscription is live. From here, advanced settings is where you fine-tune. Set a max trade size so no single copy can blow up. Turn on stop loss and take profit to manage risk automatically. Filter by category if you only want to copy a trader's crypto trades, or only their politics trades. And here's what makes PolyBot different. Every copy trade executes in the same block as the leader. Same block, no delay. That's the full setup. Once it's running, PolyBot handles the rest. Link in the description to start trading on Polymarket from Telegram.